Ready to ditch cable but overwhelmed by streaming choices? Let's settle the score between YouTube TV and Philo in just 90 seconds. First, pricing. YouTube TV starts around $73 a month. Keep that number in mind. Philo is significantly cheaper, usually around $25 a month. Big difference, right? But what are you getting? YouTube TV boasts a comprehensive channel lineup, including live sports like ESPN, news channels like CNN, and your local broadcast networks. You'll get ABC, CBS, NBC, and Fox in most areas. Philo shines with entertainment and lifestyle channels. Think AMC, HGTV, Food Network, and Discovery. The catch? No sports or local channels. YouTube TV offers unlimited DVR storage, customizable profiles for everyone in the family, and a smooth, easy-to-navigate interface on almost any device. Philo's interface is simple and clean. It includes on-demand content and a social watching option to watch with friends remotely, but the DVR is more limited. So, who wins? If you need sports, local channels, and unlimited DVR, YouTube TV is your best bet, despite the higher price. If you're all about entertainment and lifestyle channels on a budget, Philo's unbeatable. It really comes down to your viewing priorities. Both YouTube TV and Philo offer free trials, so try them out and see which platform truly suits your entertainment style. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more streaming comparisons.